Okay, this is a quick demo of my little jukebox controller. Pardon the copywritten material you will inevitably hear. And pardon the giant mess on the floor. Ah! Okay, so Altoid tin, push button LED, Raspberry Pi. This is a B+, I think, the version 2 B+. Using GPIO pins 17, 18, and I think 15. And then USB out audio to a Zoom recorder I have going to the setup over there. So, green button, play. Fast blinky as it picks a song. Takes a second because it's going over the network, and the Raspberry Pi that's actually hosting the music is slow. It's an older version, and it's kind of slow. So the first song takes a while to shuffle up, but the next one is always quicker. It's not that kind of delay. So we're playing steady LED. Now, if I want to skip this song, I hold that, it blinks and says, hey, didn't play long enough. So here we're going to pick something else. What it's doing is it's shuffling because I don't have anything in the playlist. It's shuffling, so it takes a while. Like I said, that other machine is slow, so picking random is a slow process. If it was a playlist, it would be a lot quicker. And then if we want to stop completely, hold that down. Well, what this will do, now it's in a standby mode. It's actually waiting for the song to end before it stops. And if I press stop again, whoops, if I press stop again, oh, maybe I took that out. Let's see. If I press stop again, no, it doesn't. It used to print out, hey, I'm already stopping, I'm waiting for the song to end. I don't know why it's not doing that. If I want to stop it immediately, I press the skip button, which ends that song. And then it receives the kill command and completely stops. Although, I mean, the process is still running, so if I want to start it up again, I just have to press play. And, oh, why are you not responding? Oh, there it is. That's it. Very simple. LED. Current limiting resistor, ground is brown, and then just jumpered in to the headers. Code is on GitHub now. I'm working on an infrared controller, not for down here, I don't need it down here, but for upstairs, where the main Raspberry Pi that hosts the music is. I'd like to be able to control it from a remote. There's the interface. I'm going to get something else for that, and then there's the big setup. So that's that. Thanks for checking it out. Main Raspberry Pi, hard drive with music, IR stuff, piano. Remote. Hold on a second, please. LED. Remote. Stop. Blinkety blink. Now it is waiting for the song to end. If you want the song to end right quick, press. Boom. Done. Want it to start again? Press play. This Pi is very old and slow, so it takes a while for the jukebox to get going. Let's see if I can show you inside here. IR receiver is on the right, and just a status LED on the LED on the left. That's all that's inside. I had an extra header. Mounted the IR receiver right too. Had the legs come out for the LED. Please. Now we have music. And again. Oh, this is a badly encoded song I gotta fix. Stop. And we definitely want to skip that one. All done.